your hands up just like Mario.
Who will kill you with your hands up like Mario?
I believe.
The police?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Do you trust the police?
Yeah. No.
You don't trust the police?
Heck no.
Why not?
Because they'll kill you like this.
They kill you like that?
Yes.
Oh, are you scared of the police?
Yes.
Yes.
You said?
Yeah, I get scared of the police too. Yes. Why are you scared of the police?
Because they'll kill people.
Do they help people? No.
I can't take no more. Why is the police steady knocking at my door? 24/7, the devils be tripping. They say some banks was robbed and I fit the description, but that's drama. So save it for your mama. I'm not criminal-minded punk police. I'm a dope rhyme dealer, not a money stealer. Was real in 91, but now I'm much realer. On the streets you roam, trying to follow me home. Steady running checks on me and my room. You see my mother is worried. You got a vision all blurry. You throwing darts at my partner's poster, and he's buried. Resting in peace, but you won't give him no peace, man. You punk police. I'm not the savage beast. You labeled us a ruthless G-A-N-G, but the biggest gangsters are on the VPD. They hate to see me driving a car I bought. They hate how I talk. I can't spit on the sidewalk. They bumping and cuffing me. In jail they be stuffing me. Every damn day, man, they can't get enough of me. I could maybe understand if I was breaking the law. And I'ma dedicate this to Detective McGraw. You be steady accusing, but these cases you losing. You be steady abusing, maybe you find it amusing. Well, I'ma laugh in your face while you kick on back and feel the bass. You police with a one-track mind, man, you can't even find who's been robbing you blind. They got deep, so you had to blame somebody. What's next? You gon' frame somebody? You gon' frame somebody? You gon' frame somebody? Is you gon' frame somebody? Is you gon' frame somebody? Punk police, 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 Mac Dre. From the dump punk one time, I've got one rhyme. You can't stop sweating me, no, not even sometime. You fuss and cuss that, would love to bust that. A brother like me, always searching my nutsack. Punk police, I name this cut. And punk police, I'll tell you what. You need to stop tripping and go do your job. Stop trying to be ruthless and stop trying to mob. Punk police are nothing clean. Look how they did Rodney King. In every neighborhood, state, city, and town, a crooked policeman can be found. Off duty, he never would squab hard. Stop, I can't take no more. Why is the police steady knocking at my door? 24/7, the devils be tripping. They say some banks was robbed and I fit the description, but that's